the sentence like this. 持ち帰りでお願いします。持ち帰りでお願いします which means I would like to take out or you would like to bring back home. So you can say like 持ち帰りでお願いします。持ち帰り is mean bring back home. 持ち is from the 持つ is mean take and 帰り is mean back home. So the express 持ち帰り is mean bring back home. でお願いします which mean please. And when you translate to English, it could be like I would like to take out or I will bring back home. So the staff will understand and they will prepare plastic. They prepare for you to bring back home, not to drink inside the shop. 持ち帰りでお願いします。